Hello friends, and welcome back to the KSN Pharmatech YouTube channel. Today we are exploring the Biopharmaceutics Classification System, or BCS, a powerful framework that helps scientists understand and predict how drugs behave inside the human body. Whether you are a pharmacy student, a researcher, or simply curious about drug development, this video is for you. Let's get started. The Biopharmaceutics Classification System is a scientifically validated framework that categorizes drugs based on two critical properties: their solubility in aqueous media and their permeability across intestinal membranes. Developed in 1995 by pioneering researcher Gordon Amidon and colleagues, this elegant system revolutionized our ability to predict oral drug absorption using laboratory data alone. Solubility: how well a drug dissolves in bodily fluids. Permeability: ability to cross intestinal barriers. Today, the BCS streamlines drug development and regulatory approval processes worldwide, saving time and resources whilst ensuring patient safety. Why BCS matters? 85% oral administration of top-selling drugs in the US and Europe are taken by mouth. 1995 year established. When Dr. Gordon Amidon revolutionized pharmaceutical science. 100 plus. Global impact. Countries using BCS in regulatory frameworks. Understanding solubility and permeability guides formulation scientists in designing effective medicines. The BCS enables regulatory biowaivers, allowing companies to skip costly and time-consuming human bioequivalence trials for certain drug classes, accelerating access to affordable generic medicines. The 4 BCS classes. Every drug falls into one of 4 categories based on its solubility and permeability characteristics. Class I. High solubility, high permeability. Examples: metoprolol, paracetamol, propranolol. Class 2. Low solubility, high permeability. Examples: glibenclamide, bicalutamide, ezetimibe. Class 3. High solubility, low permeability. Examples: cimetidine, atenolol, metformin. Class 4. Low solubility, low permeability. Examples: bifonazole, hydrochlorothiazide, folic acid. Each class presents unique challenges and opportunities for pharmaceutical scientists developing new medicines. Class 1. The ideal drugs. The pharmaceutical gold standard. Class 1 drugs represent the ideal scenario in pharmaceutical development. With both high solubility and high permeability, these medicines dissolve rapidly in the gastrointestinal tract and efficiently cross intestinal membranes into the bloodstream. Their bioavailability is typically limited only by the rate of gastric emptying, how quickly the stomach releases its contents into the small intestine, rather than by any intrinsic properties of the drug itself. Rapid dissolution, efficient absorption, biowaiver eligible. Notable examples: metoprolol, heart medication. Propranolol, blood pressure. Paracetamol, pain relief. Class 2, low solubility, high permeability. Class 2 drugs possess excellent permeability but suffer from poor water solubility, which becomes the rate-limiting step for absorption and bioavailability. Innovative formulation strategies. Particle size reduction. Micronization and nanosizing increase surface area for dissolution. Solid dispersions. Dispersing drug in water-soluble carriers enhances dissolution. Nanotechnology. Nanocrystals and lipid-based systems improve solubility. Pharmaceutical scientists employ cutting-edge technologies to overcome solubility challenges. Examples include glibenclamide, diabetes, ezetimibe, cholesterol, and aceclofenac, inflammation. 40% of new drug candidates are Class 2. Class 3, high solubility, low permeability. Class 3 drugs dissolve readily but face challenges crossing the intestinal membrane barrier. Permeation enhancers. Agents that temporarily open tight junctions between cells, facilitating drug passage. Prodrug approaches. Chemical modification to increase lipophilicity, then conversion back to active form. Carrier-mediated transport. Exploiting active transport systems in the intestinal wall. Despite their excellent solubility, these drugs struggle to penetrate the lipid bilayers of intestinal epithelial cells. The absorption process becomes governed by permeability rather than dissolution. Class 4, low solubility, low permeability. The most challenging drugs. The double barrier. Class 4 represents the most formidable challenge in pharmaceutical development, drugs with both poor solubility and poor permeability. Low bioavailability. Minimal drug reaches systemic circulation. High variability. Unpredictable absorption between patients. Complex formulations. Require advanced delivery technologies. Examples of Class 4 drugs. Bifonazole, antifungal agent. Hydrochlorothiazide, diuretic for hypertension. Furosemide, loop diuretic. Folic acid, essential nutrient. These drugs often require innovative approaches such as self-emulsifying drug delivery systems, nanoparticle formulations, or even alternative routes of administration beyond oral delivery. BCS in regulatory science, biowaivers. Accelerating access to medicines. Biowaiver is a regulatory provision allowing pharmaceutical companies to forego expensive in vivo bioequivalence studies for certain generic drugs, relying instead on in vitro dissolution data. Class I drugs. Primary candidates with rapid dissolution. Approval granted. Generic drug reaches market faster. Regulatory review. Documentation and dissolution testing. Global adoption. Supported by FDA, EMA, WHO, and ICH guidelines including ICH M9. Cost savings. Eliminates need for expensive clinical bioequivalence trials. Reduced exposure. Limits unnecessary human participation in research studies. Faster access. Affordable generic medicines reach patients more quickly. The BCS, a powerful predictive tool. The Biopharmaceutics Classification System has fundamentally transformed pharmaceutical science, shifting drug development from trial-and-error experimentation to science-driven rational design. Predictive power. Anticipate drug behavior before costly trials. Tailored formulations. Class-specific strategies overcome challenges. Regulatory efficiency. Biowaivers accelerate generic approvals. Global impact. Faster access to effective medicines worldwide. The BCS represents one of the most significant advances in pharmaceutical science of the past 3 decades, providing a rational framework that guides innovation whilst ensuring patient safety. As an essential cornerstone of modern pharmaceutical innovation and regulation, the BCS continues to shape how we discover, develop, and deliver life-saving medicines to patients around the world. The Biopharmaceutics Classification System is a vast subject, and we'll explore it in detail in our upcoming videos. If you found this content helpful, please share it with your friends and don't forget to like the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay connected with KSN Pharmatech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.